Rachel with Adventures in Pop-Ups. This is Chad, and he's going to show us your, what is it?
It's a Jayco 1206, 2008 model or 2009. I'm not sure which one. It was manufactured October 2008. We purchased it as part of a salvage auction, so it got a salvage title. To this day, we don't know what was wrong with it, other than it was possibly an insurance claim from theft or something that was recovered, which is not that uncommon with pop-ups, actually.
Yeah.
So a 2008, probably a 2009 Jayco because it was made in October. J series, what is it, 1206?
1206, yes.
Okay, and so what's it got for options?
So the options are, it has a king on the tongue end, a queen on the back end. It has a slide out dinette that folds down to a double bed, and then it's got a futon that folds into a twin bed. You can easily sleep 6 people in here. If it's a couple with kids, you can fit even more. I think we've had 4 adults and 5 kids, 3 kids at one time in here. My wife's correcting me.
Nice.
And it weighs what?
The weight is 2750 dry, with a gross vehicle weight rating of 3450. So it's got 900 pounds of cargo capacity, which is exceptional for this thing.
Okay, take us inside.
Yeah, let's
Okay.
check it out. And you got they came with the outdoor grill?
It came with the outdoor grill. It goes inside or out. So
Cool.
right now we're using the counter space for the inside. So the only mods that I've really done to the interior was I replaced all of the halogen lights with LEDs. It makes a world of difference in here. We did have air conditioner installed when we bought it. It was pulled off of another salvage, so it was inexpensive to do. Cools down nice. One of the tricks that we do for winter camping or summer camping when it gets too warm is you'll see these small pieces of reflectives laying here. And we put the reflectix in between the screen and the isinglass, and it helps retain the heat in so much better. The second thing we do is we put tarps over the bunk ends because that reflects the heat away. It also helps reflect the heat in for winter camping.
Right. I noticed you guys have roll shades. I haven't seen that in a pop-up before.
Yeah, that's neat. Did
Yeah,
you guys
those
make
came
those?
with it. I have a love-hate relationship with them.
Roman, are they called Roman shades?
Not sure what they call them. I call them a pain because these little plastic brackets tend to break all the time. So you'll see on the one there, we literally folded it up and put a piece of Velcro on it to hold it in place. And I think we're going to end up doing that to all of them just because it seems easier to do, easier to hold it in place.
Yeah.
Holds it in place better.
Yeah, because these things, as you can see, this one's slightly broken, and by the time you refigure the routing, it's just tie it in a knot and be done with it.
Yeah. I like your water situation. We've thought about trying that.
Okay, this works amazing. It does not work very well for washing anything because it's so tall that it splatters in the sink. But if you're using it for drinking, it's just a push button, and it will, it'll drain right or pull right from the water jug.
Yeah,
That's cool.
that's neat. Yeah, we were just talking about that the other day.
Yeah, so we'll go to Walmart, get these filled up at the beginning of our camping trip with their reverse osmosis water or something.
Yep.
Bring it along.
Yeah, for a few bucks.
Yeah, yeah, and then I'm not hauling the weight of water because again,
Yeah.
3450 is with a full tank of water and everything else, but I don't fill it with water.
Cool. Awesome. Thank you so much.